Good morning, first grade. I hope everybody is having a nice morning so far. Today is Wednesday, October 28th, 2020. It is the 40th day of school, so I was able to trade in some of the pennies, and we now have a quarter, which is worth 25 cents, a dime, which takes us to 35 cents, and then a nickel, which takes us to 40 cents. And if we were to say the number 40 the tens way, do you think you remember how we would say that? 40 the tens way. All right, very good. So today you have art as your special at 12:15. And today for our holiday theme day, theme week, the theme today is school spirit slash be the kind kid shirt, either one, or red and white. For Avonworth, it is up to you if you would like to participate. So that is the plan for today for the theme. And let's go ahead and if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we'll do the riddle and our schedule for today. All right. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay. All right, so the riddle for today is, what can you hold in your left hand but not in your right hand? What can you hold in your left hand but you cannot ever hold in your right hand? So I'll let you think about that, and I'll tell you the answer at our 10 o'clock call. All right, our schedule for today, coming out first thing this morning will be the math application problem for lesson 32. Then you will have Spelling City practice spelling test to get ready for our spelling test on Thursday. If you would like to take it on plain paper and just take a picture and attach it to the activity, that is also fine. It's up to you. And then there will be a wit and wisdom lesson, video lesson that you will watch with me, where we will work on completing a story map for that book woman. So you'll also need your blue wit and wisdom workbook, and you can either pause the video and fill in the story map with me as we go along through it in the video, or if you would like to just watch the video and then come back and do the story map after. It's totally up to you, but that will be the three things coming out this morning. Then we'll meet at 10 for word building. These are the letters that you'll need. I know we've had some short lists of letters as of recently, but today they gave us a bunch. So they're in alphabetical order. Hopefully that helps. But A, B, C, D, G, I, M, N, O, P, R, T, U. So they're kind of in groups. But I'll type it on the agenda schedule as well. So we'll do that, and then after that, you'll send your you'll send your dictation with your high frequency word practice like we've been doing on Wednesdays, and then we'll meet again at at 1 o'clock for math. All right, so that is the plan for today, and let me know if you have any questions or if you need anything, and I'll see everybody soon. Thanks so much.